So a real quick video. This is 2000 grit. This is just an old tie down, nothing to it. But it's important to have the clip. But those are the results. Now this crank didn't have any problems, but I just wanted to clean it up as best I could before putting the pistons back in. And 2000 grit just shines it like a mirror. I did have this truck out in the other building, and there was a little bit of surface rust on the crank, so I wanted to get that off. But that works out really well. Like I said, it's just an old tie down with some 2000 grit. The reason this is important because you got to kind of feed it and sit it on top of the crank so that you can come up and grab it from the top, unless you have somebody helping you, which I normally don't have. But if you don't have this, it'll keep slipping off the top of the crank.